Hello, everyone, and welcome to the first episode of our series, The Future of Cancer Treatment. In this first episode, we're looking at one of the biggest breakthroughs in cancer treatment over the past decade, CAR T-cell therapy. So, what is CAR T-cell therapy? CAR T-cell therapy, Chimeric Antigen Receptor T-cell therapy, is one of the most revolutionary forms of cancer immunotherapy. It is considered one of the biggest breakthroughs in cancer treatment because it has produced long-term remission in patients with advanced blood cancers who had exhausted all other treatment options. Before we can understand CAR T-cell therapy, we first need to understand T-cells. These are specialized white blood cells that serve as some of the immune system's most powerful defenders. Their job is to constantly patrol the body, identifying and destroying infected cells as well as abnormal cells, including cancer cells. The problem is that cancer cells are extremely clever. They often hide from T-cells by not displaying enough warning signals, producing proteins that suppress immune attacks, mimicking normal cells. As a result, T-cells fail to recognize them. CAR T therapy solves this problem by genetically engineering the patient's own T-cells so they can recognize a specific protein on cancer cells. The engineered cells are called CAR T-cells. The modified T-cells now know what to attack. Now that we understand what CAR T-cell therapy is, let's discuss how it works, step by step. Step 1. Blood collection. Doctors collect blood from the patient. A machine separates out T-cells. Step 2. Genetic engineering. Scientists insert a new gene into these T-cells. This gene instructs the cells to produce the CAR receptor. Now, instead of relying only on its natural receptors, the T-cell has a brand new receptor specifically designed to recognize a protein found on cancer cells. Step 3. CAR T-cell infusion. The modified cells are infused through an IV. The procedure itself usually takes less than an hour. Step 4. Cancer cell recognition and destruction. Inside the body, CAR T-cells circulate in the bloodstream. Whenever they encounter cancer cells expressing the target protein, they bind tightly. After binding, the CAR T-cell releases toxic proteins. These include perforin and granzymes. Perforin punches holes in the cancer cell membrane. Granzymes enter through these holes and trigger apoptosis, which is programmed cell death. The CAR T-cell then detaches and attacks another cancer cell. One CAR T-cell can kill many cancer cells. Step 6. Memory formation. Some CAR T-cells survive for years. They become memory CAR T-cells. If cancer returns, these memory cells may rapidly expand and attack again, contributing to long-lasting remissions in some patients. So, what types of cancer can be treated? Currently, CAR T therapy is most successful against blood cancers, where cancer cells circulate and are easier for engineered T-cells to reach. Response rates often exceed 80 to 90% in relapsed or refractory disease, though not everyone remains in long-term remission. What about solid tumors? Examples include breast cancer, lung cancer, colon cancer, pancreatic cancer, ovarian cancer, brain cancer. CAR T therapy for these cancers is still largely experimental. So, what's the cost of treatment? CAR T therapy is one of the most expensive cancer treatments in the world because each treatment is custom-made for an individual patient. Here's how the cost compares across different countries. United States, approximately $400,000 to over $600,000 US per treatment. Europe, around $300,000 to $400,000 US. China, approximately $90,000 to $150,000 US. India, roughly $30,000 to $50,000 US. Advantages: it can produce long-lasting remissions. It can be effective when chemotherapy has failed. Living cells can continue to patrol the body. It can potentially be curative for some patients with certain blood cancers. Conclusion: CAR T-cell therapy represents a major milestone in the evolution of cancer treatment. As genetic engineering and immunotherapy continue to advance, CAR T therapy may become one of the defining cancer treatments of the 21st century. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on science, medicine, and technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.